I'm doing a 13 Camaro high mount brake light. This is the first one I've ever done. It's in this upper window trim panel. You'd think it'd be pretty easy, right? Well, I guess it's not like really hard, but it's time consuming. Check this out. Look at all the crap you gotta pull. Pull the lower rear seat back. Then you gotta pull the upper and lower quarter trim panels. That's incredible. I also had to pull some of this wiring out of here off the side to get it out, and the rear window defroster grids, and kind of pull them off the side. The snake that was at that window trim panel out, and then pull it out of the window trim panel. All that for a brake light. That's incredible. Check out what I found on it. It looks like it's this diode right here. This is the old one. This new one, I think parts said it was like 214 bucks. So I was checking this out. This is the ground side. And you go over to this power side. It's like no continuity that runs through it. And let me get this turned around here. I can go on these resistors here. Got continuity through them. Whoops, let me put this back on. But this resistor, nothing on it. And then only on one half this diode. I think this is a diode. But if I power up this diode right here, this one side of it, it does work. Now if I come in here, get on the ground side and go over to my power side, no continuity. I powered up, nothing. I come over to my new one, get on the ground side, and on the power, no, still no continuity, but it does work. It looks like I go back over here on the ground side, same thing, no continuity here. But I'll show you. I'll use my DVOM here, and we'll go on both sides of this. We'll check resistance. See, can you see that? I'm gonna go on both sides of this. See if you can see that. Okay, nothing. Swap them around. Nothing. Let's go to our new one. Check that out. We get 2 mega ohms. If I reverse them, I should have nothing. That's exactly what I have. Go back this way. 2 mega ohms. Now I don't build circuit boards. I don't do anything like that. If I find like printed circuit that's the solder is delaminated, I've done stuff like that before on instrument panels on like Dodges, the older Dodges. But this one here, it looks like this what I think is a diode would actually fix it, but I've got a new one here. So it's kind of incredible. $215, and you guys spend like a good hour of your time to put this thing in. What a pain in the butt. Okay, let's fish this thing back in here. Kind of forget how it goes. I've been waiting for it for 3 days apart. Want to break it. Let's put this side in first. There we go. There we go. Then I gotta re-glue this insulation back on there. Oh yeah, I gotta plug it in. Plugged in there. Okay, let's see if this thing works. Where I put it back together. Oh, there we go. You have to grab a knee pad. There we go. Get a knee pad here. Oh, that's better. Okay, it goes up over these loops for the child restraints. It's incredible. Who's a freaking idiot that designed this? Absolute idiot. Trying not to break nothing. There we go. Making sure these alignment tabs are in. They are. Two of those are in. Yeah, so if you want to put some fancier speakers into, they're captured. You got to pull that out to do the speakers also.
I'm gonna double check and make sure it works before I get the whole damn thing back together. Okay, it's all fit in there good without any misfit panels. Yeah, it looks great. We're ready to put the back, lower, and upper seats and finish it up.